Hey everyone, welcome back to Woodworking Zone. Today we're tackling a question that many aspiring woodworkers often ask: is woodworking really hard? Well, stick around because we're about to demystify the world of woodworking. Section 1: Breaking down misconceptions. First things first, let's break down some common misconceptions about woodworking. It's not just about being a skilled carpenter from day one. Woodworking is a craft that anyone can learn and improve upon over time. You don't need to be a master right away, it's all about the journey. Section 2: Learning Curve. Like any skill, woodworking has a learning curve. Starting with the basics and gradually progressing to more complex projects is the key. With the right guidance, patience, and practice, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can develop your woodworking skills. Section 3: Access to resources. Another factor to consider is the abundance of resources available. From online tutorials to woodworking classes, there's a wealth of information at your fingertips. Whether you prefer hands-on learning or digital resources, there's a path for everyone. Section 4: Tools and Safety. Now, let's talk about the tools. While woodworking involves various tools, it's essential to understand that you don't need every tool in the workshop on day one. Start with the basics, focus on safety, and gradually build up your tool collection as you advance in your skills. Section 5: Enjoyment and Creativity. Ultimately, the difficulty of woodworking often comes down to perspective. Many woodworkers find the process incredibly enjoyable and fulfilling. It's a chance to unleash creativity, problem solving, and create tangible, beautiful pieces that last a lifetime. Conclusion. So, is woodworking hard? Like any craft, it has its challenges, but it's far from an insurmountable task. With dedication, practice, and the right mindset, anyone can become a proficient woodworker. Remember, it's not just about the final product, it's about the joy of creating something with your own two hands. If you're a beginner, tell us what projects you're excited to start. Don't forget to hit that like button for more woodworking insights, and I'll catch you in the next video. Subscribe to Woodworking Zone.